Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essential tools are present: NET SDK and VSCode with the C# extension. Open the project folder now. Once done, run .NET Restore to fetch packages. If you need a new app, use .NET New Console and .NET Build immediately to verify compilation. Make sure OmniSharp activates. It provides IntelliSense and debugging support. These initial steps prepare the environment so you can focus on running rather than fixing missing dependencies. Next, configure debugging and run options so execution is predictable. In the Run and Debug view, add a NET Core launch configuration in Launch. JSON, this tells VS Code where to start and how to attach the debugger. Set breakpoints in code to inspect variables, then press F5 to start a debug session. Alternatively, for fast checks, run .NET Run in the integrated terminal to execute without the debugger. This dual approach gives you both quick feedback and deep inspection when needed. To complete the run, observe the debug console and output panels for runtime logs. They explain exceptions and startup failures. If the app fails to start, make sure the target framework in the CSproj matches your installed SDK. Mismatches cause silent launch errors. Once you change settings, clean by deleting bin and obj folders and run .NET Restore, then .NET Build. If the editor still behaves oddly, restart OmniSharp or VS Code. This common troubleshooting step resolves stale state and lets you run successfully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.